Guys, welcome to the video. In this box we have something cool. There's a box inside a box, and let's put that to a side. Let's continue to see what we have in here. Now we have a few of these balls with some studs to it. Now you might be wondering what this could be. This actually has a pretty cool purpose. The chair that I'm sitting on right now, it makes a lot of noise and it doesn't really turn that well. So whenever I'm trying to move, it doesn't really move the way that I, always wanted to. So I got these to kind of replace that and fix that issue. So now these are made out of some really robust material. As you can see, these are made out of some epoxy looking things. This feels very solid, and inside is plastic to kind of reinforce all of that. So this is what it kind of looks like. Looks pretty cool, and it does look pretty strong. So there's no question on if this is gonna hold or not, because this looks way better than what I have right now on my cheap Amazon chair here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in total, and we're gonna put them on, and I'll get back together after I put them on. So as you can see, this is my chair here, and this is the wheel that's on right now. All I have to do is pull this out just like this, and this is what that looks like. And then we would just take these and replace it. Just push it in, and that's pretty much it. Now it could be because there's a lot of dirt under the wheel, so that's probably why it's not functioning well anymore, but these will definitely help make it a lot better. And once I put these on super easily, I'll get back to you guys and tell you how it goes. And it's that easy. That's how fast I've done everything all at once, and here we are. Wow, it doesn't even make any noise anymore. Okay, this is interesting, honestly. Okay, it's super smooth and it goes in every direction properly now. Like if I want to go side to side, front and back, super quiet. It got a lot better. It's definitely an upgrade that's worth the money. So if you guys want to check these out, I'll leave them in the description for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.